biggest Cory cat. Nice little vacuum. Oldest fish in the house. Like 2 or 3 years old. We don't really know, honestly, because he's the first fish I got in the house, too. Or she is, anyway, because Vacuum's already laid eggs. That big bronze Coryadora right there. There's a green one, an albino one, and a bronze one right there. That big bronze that just came up for air. Yeah. That one is Vacuum. There it is. My little nephew Cory named him. And I got him from my sister. It's the only fish out here that I didn't pay for also.